Hello everyone, I am Kritika Rodgi, 7th Sem Civil Department. So here I am today to speak on the topic of rising sludge problem. So let me briefly tell you the definition of what is rising sludge problem. So it usually occurs in the secondary clarifier of activated sludge plant where whole sludge is settled down at the bottom of the clarifier. Then it is compacted. Further it slowly tries to raise to the surface where it causes the process of denitrification or anaerobic biological activity which produces carbon dioxide or methane. So in this video I'll be showing you the PowerPoint presentation on the rising sludge problem where you'll get the detailed information of the why, how and causes and solution of this rising sludge problem. Let's continue.
Let me begin with the rising sludge problem presentation. First, I start with the secondary clarifier, which is a part of the activated sludge plant. Some kind of floating solids on the clarifier surface, which are an indication of a problem called as rising sludge. Rising sludge is also known as floating sludge. I have already said you the definition of the rising sludge. Now, let us discuss the third point where under anoxic condition. What is anoxic condition? It is the description of the environment under without oxygen. So in that condition, nitrifying bacteria convert nitrate into the nitrogen gas. These nitrogen gas bubbles adhere to flock particles, causing them to arise the surface. This is called as floating solids on the clarifier surface, which arises the rising sludge problem. Now we got to know how this rising sludge problem occurred and in this secondary clarifier. Now let us discuss in detail about the rising sludge problem, definition, causes and solutions to prevent this problem in the secondary clarifiers. So you can see the definition on the presentation. The causes of rising sludge problem, which is mainly caused by the process of denitrification in the secondary clarifiers. So the main cause of this problem is the process of denitrification. Let us see in the further slide how to prevent this process of denitrification or to avoid rising sludge problem in the secondary clarifiers. Next, in the further slide, you can see the main common cause for this problem is nitrification. Now, the solutions to reduce or decline rising sludge problem in the secondary clarifier, let us begin. The solutions to prevent the rising sludge problem in the secondary clarifier is given in this presentation. So first one is reduced sludge detention in the clarifier, that is increasing the speed of the sludge collection and withdrawal. So if that withdrawal is done in the faster time, then it may reduce the floating solids on the surface of the clarifiers. So second point is reduce the mixed liquid flow to the clarifier, decrease the sludge depth, decrease SRT and or aeration for controlling nitrification. Last point is post aeration anoxic process prevents denitrification in the classifiers. This is the main solution which is required to prevent this rising sludge problem is post aeration anoxic process which prevents denitrification in the clarifiers, which you have already seen that this rising sludge problem is caused mainly due to denitrification process in the clarifiers. So to avoid denitrification, the post aeration anoxic process is necessary. So according to this presentation, I have said you the causes, definition, solutions to prevent this rising sludge problems and where it occurred and how it occurred, by which process. So I end it here.